there, have you ever thought of changing an environment during the weekdays and don't know where to go? We have a solution for you. Here in Balafon Beach Resort, we have what we call the Balafon African Night every Wednesday, happening from 7 to 10 p.m. So if you're bored at home and want to have dinner with entertainment and enjoy yourself, all you need to do is come to Balafon Beach Resort. It's African night and I'm expecting to see African food. Wow! So I'm going to start with the cherry, of course, because we said African night and this is our tradition, this is our Tasan.
My name is Monique from the Netherlands.
How do you see our African night today here in Balafon?
I think it's great. I particularly liked the dancing. I could not repeat that.
Yeah. I saw you making some moves.
Yes, I tried, but I think there are baby steps.
Yeah, we learned everything from baby steps. And what is your favorite food tonight?
I particularly liked the domoda.
So you're a Domoda fan?
Yes.
So had you been an African, I would say you're a Mandinka because it's the dish of the Mandinkas. So from now on, you're a Mandinka. Okay. And hello, sir, how are you?
Hello, my name is René. I'm from the Netherlands as well. When I see all this, I have to agree, it's wonderful. Too much choice, so I took everything and everything was great. So.
Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe on our YouTube channels so that whenever we upload new videos, you'll be the first person to know it by clicking on your bell icon for notifications. See you next time.